My crop is precious. I need a clean and secure warehouse to preserve it.
I am looking for an attractive looking restaurant where my customers should feel like visiting me again and again, where they feel comfortable.
The shop floor has to be airy, well lit yet thermally efficient to make my workers comfortable.
A house that looks good, is strong and affordable too. Is it too much to ask for?
To transform your dreams into a reality, Tata BlueScope Steel brings to you DuraShine, a product range to make your building dreams so real that you can see it, feel it, and experience it for years to come.
The roof matters the most. It should be strong and leak proof.
Presenting you DuraShine Roof, specially designed roofing profile that scores way ahead of traditional roofing material. Attractive profile shape, anti-capillary groove to make it leak-proof from side laps. Better fastener fixing methodology to make it leak-proof. Better load carrying capacity. Thermally efficient.
A structure with beautiful and strong walls.
DuraShine Wall. Change the way you look at building walls. For the first time in India, Tata BlueScope Steel introduces DuraShine Wall Profile that is specially developed to deliver the best of looks and ensure economy. DuraShine Wall is very light and one of the widest profiles for wall cladding. The low rip fluent makes it attractive for all types of buildings. You can choose the color the way you want it.
Our house in the village has tiles on the roof.
To make sure we carry the heritage values in our modern design buildings, Tata BlueScope Steel brings to you DuraShine Tile. DuraShine Tile opens up a whole new perspective to look at the roof of buildings. DuraShine Tile is aesthetically pleasing and gives a perfect tiled look while maintaining the traditional essence in your building. Technologically advanced as it has a concealed system, that is, no fastener will be visible and hence there is no possibility of leakage. Easy and quick to install, just to make sure that you can build your dream building in a very short time. DuraShine Wall, DuraShine Roof and DuraShine Tile come with accessories like flashing or capping in colors, along with special fasteners to make sure you have a one-stop solution for your dream building.
And what's so special about the purlins?
DuraShine purlins offer many benefits over conventional angle and channel shape purlins. They are much lighter yet better in load carrying capacity. Save more than 40% in overall weight in comparison with conventional steel. They come with galvanized coating which minimizes maintenance. Pre-punched holes at regular intervals help in quick installation of structure. Lightweight material makes it easy to transport and install at site.
That's great, but where do I put my security team?
DuraShine Guard Hut. DuraShine brings you DuraShine Guard Hut, a 360-degree view cabin. DuraShine Guard Hut is the perfect shelter for the security team of an establishment or your home. It is manufactured from high-strength steel that is strong, light and requires virtually no maintenance over its lifespan. Comes with various colors to match up with your building aesthetics. Thermally efficient to maintain a comfortable temperature inside. Virtually unbreakable transparent sheet for better visibility and safety at all sides. Comes as a ready-made unit to be transported to site and ready to use. The DuraShine range of products, truly a smart solution. DuraShine Roof, DuraShine Wall, DuraShine Purlin, DuraShine Tile, DuraShine Guard Hut. DuraShine, coloring lives in steel.